Good morning, second day of our challenge today. My name is Cleopatra. Today we are going to speak about our characteristics of our personality. We are going to use a method from economics, specifically from marketing science. It's called SWOT analysis, and usually we use it in order to analyze the characteristics of a company in order to prepare the best possible step for the future. So we will use this technique in order to analyze our personal characteristics. So what we do, we make a big square and we divide it in 4 little squares. This method is called SWOT analysis. And in each square, we write one letter of the word SWOT. No. Okay, here, every letter means it's the first letter of a word. For example, S for strength. Strength. W for weaknesses. O for opportunities. T for threats. So, we write down all these characteristics about our personality, all our strengths, all the good things that we have, all the talents we have and help us develop, made us have wins in the past, and these probably are the things that will make us also have wins in the future. Weaknesses, all the weak or negative characteristics we have that we would like to change or develop even more. Opportunities that exist in the external environment around us, and sometimes we cannot do anything about this. And threats that also exist in the outside environment. So, looking at this board, we can see that the first column corresponds to positive characteristics, strengths and opportunities, positive characteristics on internal and external environment. And the second column, we can see there is the negative characteristics of internal and external also environment. If we see in lines, here, the first line, we can see it corresponds to our internal environment. It's things that are related with us and our personality. And in the second line, we see characteristics that are referring to the external environment. It's the opportunities and threats that are around us. For example, many things are around us and we cannot change them. And some of them affect us in a positive way, some of them affect us in a negative way. So, writing down all these characteristics and making clear in our mind where each one belongs, it's like we create a map of all this, and this helps us to have a structured idea in our mind in order to take the best possible step in our next plans, in our job, in our personal relations, in anything that we want to develop even more. Last tip for the end, think about the biggest, the most extraordinary characteristic you have, your talent, let's say, and every time you have a difficulty, even if it's related in job or personal things, think how you can use your big talent in order to find a solution, because there is the key for every solution for all of us. Every one of us is different, and if we use our special talent to solve a problem, we will do all of us in a different way, but in the best possible way for each one of us individually. So thank you very much. See you tomorrow.